Imagine holding a device in your hand that is more powerful than the console sitting under your TV. Imagine a world where your television doesn't just show you content, but actually understands your mood, your habits, and your home better than you do. For years, the Apple TV has been the quiet product in Apple's lineup. It sat there, reliable, fast, but somewhat predictable. That changes today. We are standing on the edge of the biggest shift in home entertainment since the transition from cable to streaming. The 2026 Apple TV 4K isn't just an upgrade. It is a complete reimagining of what a black box can do. And if you think you've seen it all with the previous generations, you are about to be proven very, very wrong. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Let's be honest. Most people look at a streaming box and see a way to launch Netflix. But Apple is playing a much deeper game. They have been waiting. They've been holding back technology that has been ready to ship for months. Why? Because they weren't waiting for the hardware. They were waiting for the soul of the machine, Apple Intelligence. This is the year the Apple TV becomes the brain of your home. We're talking about the A17 Pro chip, the same monster that powers the iPhone 15 Pro, now living inside a device that doesn't have to worry about battery life. That means raw, unadulterated power. We are talking about 8 gigabytes of RAM. In a streaming box. That sounds like overkill, right? Wrong. In the world of 2026, that is the entry fee for the AI revolution. Think about the way you search for movies right now. You type into a clunky search bar, or you shout at a remote that barely understands your accent. Find me action movies. Boring. The 2026 Apple TV 4K changes the conversation. Literally. With the new Siri, powered by the deepest integration of Apple Intelligence we've ever seen, you don't search. You talk. Hey Siri, find me that movie where the guy is stuck on a planet and he has to grow potatoes, but I want something with a similar vibe to Interstellar. In less than a second, it doesn't just give you a list, it explains why it chose those specific films for you. It understands context. It understands nuance. It understands you. But the power of the A17 Pro isn't just for talking. It's for playing. For years, Apple has teased us with console-quality gaming. We saw it on the iPhone, we saw it on the Mac. But the Apple TV always felt like the neglected stepchild of the gaming world. Not anymore. With hardware-accelerated ray tracing and Metal FX upscaling, the 2026 Apple TV 4K is officially entering the ring with the PlayStation and Xbox. We aren't talking about Candy Crush on a big screen. We are talking about AAA titles, Resident Evil, Assassin's Creed, and Death Stranding, running natively at 4K with lighting effects that will make your jaw drop. This is the moment the casual gamer becomes a hardcore gamer without ever buying a console. And then there's the price. The rumors are swirling, and they point to something radical. Apple is known for the Apple tax, charging more because of the logo. But the word on the street is a starting price of $140. Some even say $99 for a base model. Why would Apple lower the price of their most powerful box ever?